Welcome to my Thinking Guruji channel. The very boring word nowadays is boredom, though it is very trendy word. I think boredom is that state of mind where you feel nothing interested in this world. BBC News cautioned us that it has a great health hazard factor. And nowadays it is a $1 million question how you can get rid of boredom. And side by side, you have to grow your immunity so that you can fight the coronavirus attack. So in this video, I will give you some suggestion so that you can get some solution of this problem. So carefully watch this video. Take the lesson from these animals. They will teach you how to wake up from bed. So do stretch like them. This is the first thing you have to do. Take lukewarm water and squeeze some lemon on it. This will detox your body. Now make your herbal tea. Put some ginger, cinnamon, tejpata and also the springe of orange. And don't forget to put green tea also. So this will cleanse your body properly. Here you have to do autosuggestion, means you speak yourself that you are healthy and hearty and you are remain free from all diseases. Now close your eyes and think that your respiratory system is okay. No virus is coming inside your body. Before that it is reflecting from your body. You have no problem in taking breath or in any health. You just visualize that you are so strong that no disease can harm you. Do it for 5 minutes. Take deep breath. After that, you just put your palms together and press it. After that, you put this into your eyes. Your autosuggestion and visualization technique is finished. These are the some suggestions then you can inculcate for your pastime. First is gardening. Second, you can grow your own herbal kitchen garden. You can grow oregano, rosemary, basil in your kitchen shelves only and use them directly. You have to know how to use less amount of cooking oil. So you use tomato puree or spinach puree like this. You know your strength, so grow habit according to that. These are the some hints that you can utilize your time with this technique. First is affiliate marketing. Here Amazon and Flipkart are giving a good opportunity to do this. Now you can try for stock market, but first know it properly. Third, writing blog. If you are a good writer, then you can use your technique here. Online data entry, if you have the capability in computer data entry practice, you can go for this. Be YouTuber, you can create your own channel and earn money. Also, you can create ebook. Nowadays, it is very trendy one. You can use your time in website designing, and also you can go for the online tuition. It is also great scope to earn money. You can also think that how can you use your TikTok in the education platform rather than in entertainment purpose. Now I will suggest you the most valuable pastime, that is reading habit. This is done by the Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. I will suggest you 7 books in the next slide that will give you the whole sphere of your life. It will cover motivation, finance, focus, happiness, and social. My suggestion is, if you can't read the books directly, try to read it ebook nowadays. Also, you can listen the summary of that book in the Google app. I have also given you the link so that you can read these books from there. In the afternoon, I will suggest you to take any one of these snacks with green tea. And also, my advice will be, just follow the Chinese cuisines. It will be very helpful for snacks. Your dinner must be before 8 p.m. This is very healthy approach. Now you can start your dinner with this soup, that is pumpkin soup. It is very trendy nowadays and also highly full of antioxidants. Also, sometimes you can take tomato soup. Mind that your dinner should be very light and it should be before 8 p.m. It is very good immunity booster, so you can start these things from today. You put some turmeric or haldi in your milk and have it before going to bed. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the like button.